Alright, we're here in Yokohama today to go see the infamous Nismo Showroom. I'm pretty happy about that. But to start off the day, we got a little gym right here, right in the alleyway, man. Like, check it out. GT3, she slammed too, man. Look at this. Wow. That's what's up. Japan is just so full of so many beautiful vehicles. Cars are so great here. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna make my way over to the Nismo Showroom. It's about a 20-minute walk. But when we get there, it'll be worth it. So I'll see you guys. More little gyms, man. Yo. This thing is sick. Hell yeah. Look at the little titanium exhaust. Let's go. I think there's a little GR86 over here too. Oh no, it's the Subi. It's the Subi. Let's go. Hell yeah, boys. Random GTR. Hell yeah. Yokohama is full of cars everywhere, man. It's so sick. Damn. Let's go. Oh, Q50 action? Yes, sir. We got some Z's out here. Look at that. Nismo Z. Regular Z down there. Q. Dude. It's crazy, man. It's so crazy. There it is. Sick, dude. Here we are, boys. Yo. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Yo. We're here. Bro. This is insane. Alright guys, so we just got out of the showroom, and I didn't really want to talk in there like this because the places here in Japan, you know, you got to pay your respects to them and make sure that you're not like a complete idiot in front of them, and just kind of respect and honor what they have created, because there's so many nice things here in Japan, man. And I just want to respect them and make sure that I, you know, pay my dues to these wonderful people here. But yeah, man, we're gonna walk around this factory and see what it's all about, and then we'll probably head on to a food market or something and go from there. So yeah. Oh yeah, boy. The Nismo, man. God, the thing's beautiful. Holy shit. Wow. Things you see here in Japan, man. GR86. Nice, man. That's wild, dude. Evo 2, OZ wheels. This thing is awesome. Dude, there's so many little gems packed in Yokohama. Wow, even, look, turboed. Intercooler, wow. That's amazing. Dude, the finds never stop. Holy crap, man. Dude. Wow. Beautiful. Sheesh. The Nismo intercooler. Wow, dude. This is gorgeous. Out here on this patio, just chilling, man. Wow. Dude, they almost look like a wide body. My gosh. Such a sick find.